Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a very cool 2004 Dodge Viper SRT10. Very cool car, guys. This is actually a buddy of mine's car. Just moved back from Texas and decided he was going to sell the car. Really neat car. He's owned the car for a long time. It's got 87,000 original miles on it. It's got 6,000 miles on a brand new engine that he had done at Prefix Motorsports, which, if you're local in the area, a lot of people know them. Very reputable company. It is a 578 horsepower V10 engine. So it's stepped up. It's got all Gen 5 internals. And then he sent the car and had it tuned by Mr. Viper. I think his name is Winkles. So not your average Viper. A little bit extra horsepower, a little bit extra get up and go to it. He's lowered the car down 1 inch. You can see the front headlights have faded a little bit. Paint's really nice on the car. I didn't see a whole lot you could really nitpick on it. He had the front panel repainted because they get some pretty good road rash marks on these things because they're so low to the ground. So that has been all redone. And then he just sent the car out to OMG, detail shop down the road here, had it all completely detailed. Again, I saw some spots, down here, you can kind of nitpick it. Crack there in the dash, you can see that. Top looks good. Rear defog, clean Carfax, tail lights look real good, so a little mark right there. Those are the factory 19 and 18-inch aluminum or alloy wheels. It's got Pirelli ZR-rated rubber all the way around it. Of course, these cars are four-wheel disc brakes. It's got Borla catback exhaust kit on it. Again, Viper V10 engine, K&N cold air intake on it. It's been signed by Bob Lutz and then Roy. I don't know how you say that last name. I guess he's the father of the Viper. It's all keyless entry. It's original door tags on it. He put new seats in it. I think he said in 22. Mark right there. power windows, remote mirror. This is pretty much looks bone stock in here to me. It's got all the factory gauges, 87,706 on your odometer. Factory center console, factory shifter, stock radio. It's got some Alpine rear speakers there. Things are pretty boring underneath. I took some pictures though, so you go on the website, you see the pictures at the bottom. Nathan's gonna squeeze in here. He's 6'4". I think the fire missiles is just, I think that's a cigarette lighter. It does have a push button start button right there. Mirror there. Gauges are all functional. Radio works, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great place to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.